Hello, kids! Today, we're going on an exciting journey to learn about different types of transport. From cars to airplanes, there's so much to explore. Let's get started. Our first transport is the car. Cars are great for traveling around the city or taking road trips with family. Look at this shiny red car zooming down the road. Next up is the bicycle. Bicycles are fun to ride and good for exercise. You can ride your bike to school or around the park. Don't forget your helmet. Here comes the bus. Buses are big vehicles that carry many people to different places. School buses take kids to school, and city buses help people get around town. Choo-choo. It's a train. Some trains go very fast, like the bullet train in Japan. It's an airplane. Airplanes can take us to faraway places in a short time. Pilots fly airplanes high above the clouds. Splash! This is a boat. Boats float on water and can take us across lakes, rivers, and oceans. Some boats have sails, and others have engine. Whir! Here's a helicopter. Helicopters can take off and land straight up and down. They are great for reaching places where airplanes can't go. Zooming by is a scooter. Scooters are small and easy to ride. You can kick off with your foot and glide around the neighborhood. Vroom vroom. It's a motorcycle. Motorcycles are fast and can zip through traffic. Riders must wear helmets to stay safe. Look at this big tractor. Tractors are used on farms to plow fields and harvest crops. They are very powerful machines. Dive deep with a submarine. Submarines can go underwater and explore the ocean. They are used by scientists in the Navy. Up, and away in a hot air balloon. These balloons float high in the sky, carried by the wind. It's a peaceful way to see the world from above. Blast off with a spaceship. Spaceships travel into space to explore other planets and stars. Astronauts ride in spaceships to discover the wonders of the universe. Here comes the fire truck. Fire trucks carry firefighters to emergencies. They have ladders and hoses to put out fires and save lives. Lastly, we have the ambulance. Ambulances rush to help people who are sick or hurt. Paramedics inside provide medical care on the way to the hospital.
Wow, we learned about so many different types of transport today. Cars, bicycles, buses, trains, airplanes, boats, helicopters, scooters, motorcycles, tractors, submarines, hot air balloons, spaceships, fire trucks, and ambulances. Which one is your favorite? Thanks for joining our transport adventure. See you next time, kids.